Hi, my name is Kathleen Zemansky, and I'm a classically trained business feng shui master, expert astrologer, and date selection specialist, and the creator of Time Blazer Business Management System. My system is based on the ancient wisdom of the empowering Chinese calendar. I want to tell you a little bit about what's going on today. Today is March 17th, 2014, and it's an incredible day in the feng shui world to move forward in your business life. Your personal too, but I'm a business feng shui consultant. It's also considered a success day and seriously choked with vibrant energy to literally transform your life. I suggest you start now. Yes, right now, in whatever time zone you're located, and pick up the phone and call an important client. Create some buzz around your social media. It's a tremendous day to work on your finances as well. And this is anywhere from starting a new retirement fund or clean up your credit. But either action, no matter what you do, just do something when it has to do with your finances. Today, it's also a good day to dive into one of those personal or business development classes that you've taken. You know, the ones that you spent thousands of dollars on. You came home, put those manuals on the shelf, and never did anything with them. This is a way to get your return on investment, because today is full of energy that can help you absorb the energy like you've never ever done before. So get your return on investment and really look back and see all this important information that you can use again. And on top of that, it's also a very harmonious day. So here's another one. Why don't you pick up the phone or send an email? Pick up the phone, it's a little bit more personal, and call someone and just make their day and see what happens in return. There is one caution, though. Today is a pig day. So if you have a snake located anywhere in your chart, that would mean either the year, month, day, or hour that you were born, you might expect some transformation. Not always a bad thing, but I do advise you on this last piece, depending on where it's located and how it will affect your life. If any of this information made sense to you, you're probably one of my clients. If not, and you'd like to know more about how to receive this information on a regular basis, please contact me at info@5elementsgroup.com. I look forward to seeing you soon, where good chi will follow.